Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel, Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here today. For all you guys that are new, yes, I'm Chef Will. I'll be making some rice balls today. First thing I should say, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video if you're new to this channel. Today will be rice balls, Italian rice balls, but normally I use risotto for this recipe, but I'm using just regular white rice today. So I'll show you guys this quick and easy, simple recipe to go through. So I got some flour right here, about a cup of flour. I got 275 grams of breadcrumb. And I got 3 eggs right here I'm going to be using. I got a half cup of Parmesan cheese, and I got some spices. I just wing it with the spices that I'm putting in. So right here, this is some basil. It's about 1.5 teaspoons of basil, and oregano I got right here. I'm going to put about half of it inside the flour right there to give it a little bit of flavor as well. And then the rest of it goes right inside of the breadcrumb. And I got a teaspoon of black pepper and teaspoon of garlic powder. Just gonna mix that together. And I'll put a half of it inside the flour as well. And then the rest goes inside the breadcrumb. And that's panko I'm using. I'll just mix that up. So I'm gonna be adding the Parmesan cheese to the rice. Alright, so we're just gonna use a pinch of salt inside of the breadcrumb here. You don't want to get it cheese or salt. And I also have some Avarti cheese. I'm gonna be crumble that right inside as well to get that rice nice and sticky. So I'm just gonna grab my cooked rices right over here. So this is my rice right here already cooked. Also, this should be about 4 cups of cooked rice right here. Right, so I'll be adding my Parmesan cheese inside there. Get it nice and sticky. Mix that in. Just had the Avarti, you just want to crush it right here. My counter is clean, so I always sanitize and clean up, alright? So I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper to the rice as well. Just a pinch of black pepper to it. Right here, I got some fresh parsley from the garden. I'm gonna use a few sprigs of that. Just gonna dice that up, mince that I should say. And this is the Italian flat leaf parsley. Really nice aroma to this, nice flavor. I love this parsley. So I'll give that a nice chop. Beautiful. I'll put a pinch inside my breadcrumb as well. And I add a little bit to this. I'm just gonna mix that right inside. See, everything will be getting nice and sticky, and that what you're looking for. The rice is still warm, so it will melt the cheese right inside. You can see the steam coming out of that. Beautiful. Just want to give that a nice mix. You can see they're holding together in a perfect way that it should. And guys, don't forget to check out my new channel, Chef Will Explores. Go on and subscribe, like, and share. Again, Chef Will Explores. So we're going to get it like this. So you can roll them into nice size ball. It depends on the size that you like. I would say this is the size I want to get them. I'm going to flour, egg, breadcrumb. All right. Oh, that smells really good. So right here, I'll be rolling them like this. All right, and then I'll just go into the flour, give it a nice stir. Then into the egg wash, give it a nice mix. And I'll get it out. And into the breadcrumb. Just mix it into the panko. Nice mix. And then I'll get it on my tray. And that's what it looks like right there. So I'll get these mixed up and then we'll get right. Okay, so right now the oil is ready. I get it up to 350. I'm just gonna drop these beautiful rice balls right here. And these are great for appetizers, guys. Having a nice party. Looking for some great appetizers. The rice balls, they're nice and juicy, cheesy. Beautiful Italian rice balls. Drop a few more right here. I'll just do these in 2 batches. They go down. Just want a nice golden brown. So that's what you're looking for, that nice golden brown on the outside here. As you can see, they're looking lovely. So we're just gonna let these drain. I'm just gonna sit them on a rack I got over here and let them drain, and I'll get the second batch going. So right here, I'm just garnishing the plate right here. Just with a little bit of pesto. Looking lovely. And I just do the same thing on both sides. I just garnish with some pesto. You can use whatever sauce you have. Some aioli is great with this as well. As I said, this is just some garnish. So that's your beautiful plate right there. As I said, these are nice if you have a nice party. These are great. I'm just gonna break one to show you how it is on the inside. As you can see, nice and cheesy. Look at that. That's what you're looking for from these nice Italian style meatballs, rice balls. It would be great if it's meatball, but nice rice balls. All right, so I'm gonna bite into this one. Wow, this is great. So nice and cheesy. The Parmesan stands out in there. The Havarti give it a nice texture as well. First I'm adding Havarti to it. I always use just Parmesan cheese, but I think this had a nice texture to it. I'm just gonna dip it in my marinara sauce. I got some marinara sauce right here. I'm just gonna see how that comes out. Wow. Nothing but goodness. Wow. Gotta try these rice balls out. They're good. Wow, beautiful. So this is how I garnish my plate right here. You can garnish it however you like for your party. All right. So thanks for watching again. Like, share. If you're new, subscribe to this channel and share with a friend, families. And don't forget to check out my new channel, Chef Will Explore. And I'll catch you in a new one.